2, 1.
Good morning everyone, good morning sir. Our topic is about worldwide consumers spending on video games over time. Broken down by device type. First, mobile gaming, PC and Mac, gaming, home consoles, and also handheld consoles.
Gaming dominates the market. Mobile gaming show a strong and consistent upward trend for outpacing all other platforms. By the latest year showed mobile gaming reaches about 120 billion, making it the largest contributor to global gaming revenue. This growth reflect the widespread use of the smartphone free-to-play model and in-app purchases. So mobile gaming has the highest and fastest growth among all platforms. Spending on mobile games increase every year and reaches about 120 billion in the latest year. This show that many people prefer playing games on their smartphone because they are easy to access. Free-to-play games, in-app purchases, and wide use of the mobile phones in increased spending in this area. So the graph show that mobile gaming has the highest consumer spending among all gaming platforms from 2014 to 2021. Spending on mobile games is increased every year. It grew from about 212 billion to around 120 billion, making the biggest part of global gaming market. This growth happens because many people own smartphone and can easily download games. Most mobile games are free to play, but players spend money on in-app purchases like items and upgrade. Because of this, mobile gaming is more convenient and earn more money than PC and console games. Overall, the graph clearly showed the mobile gaming leads the gaming industry worldwide.
PC Mac Gaming grows steadily. PC Mac Gaming show moderate but stable growth, reaching around 41 billion. It remains an important segment supported by online games, sports, and digital distribution platform. Next topic is about home console show gradual recovery. Home console spending increased slowly to about 39 billion. Growth is less dramatic, likely influenced by console life cycles, hardware release timing, and high upfront cost compared to Mobile Legends.
Console remain a small niche. Handheld consoles generate the lowest revenue, around $4 billion. Spending remains relatively flat, suggesting limited market expansion compared to other platforms.
Overall insight. The chart shows worldwide consumer spending on video games by device type from 2014 to 2021. Mobile gaming dominates the market and grows the fastest, rising sharply to about 120 billion US dollars in 2021, far surpassing all other platforms. PC and Mac gaming shows steady but moderate growth, reaching roughly 41 billion US dollars, and the home consoles also increase gradually to around 39 billion, while handheld consoles remain a small and relatively flat segment at about 4 billion US dollars. Overall, the data highlights a clear shift in global gaming spended toward mobile devices, making mobile gaming the primary driven of industry growth.
Let's go.